The science behind a hair transplant is simple, and it can work for you. Have you ever noticed as people age, hair falls out on the top of the head, but not from the sides and the back? A hormone called DHT is what causes that hair loss. DHT only affects the follicles on the top of the head. The sides and back of the head remain unaffected. That's why a hair transplant is permanent. The transplanted hair is harvested from the back of the head. You may be wondering, could my hair transplant look thinner over time? The answer is possibly. Anything that affects the hair in the back of the head will affect the transplanted hair. Here are some things that could affect overall hair health. Diet, stress, aging, some medications, especially high blood pressure meds, illnesses, radiation, and chemotherapy. There is one other thing that can cause your hair transplant to look thinner. You may lose some of the existing hair in the transplanted area if you don't do anything to prevent it from falling out. Let me explain. If a patient still has some hair on top of their head before the transplant, that hair is not DHT resistant. This hair is not any more permanent than the hair you've already lost. During a transplant, thick, healthy hair is taken from the back and added to the thinning areas. If nothing is done to prevent future hair loss, original hair can continue to fall out, causing the transplant to look thinner. The good news is there are many non-surgical hair loss treatments. Laser therapy, PRP, products, supplements, and medications, and we'll help you discover all of them, so you can have success with your hair restoration. There is also an advantage if you have your transplant with We Grow Hair, multi-unit hair grafting. When compared to other clinics, our trademark transplant delivers double the density in a single procedure. That means more permanent hair in a single procedure that will last forever. Get started today. Restore your hair and restore your confidence. Call 615-376-6010 or visit WeGrowHair.com.